I'm Tony Malone, I'm from Highways England. I've been here 18 months. I'm currently the Chief Information Officer, which is why I'm here. I'm also the Executive Director for IT, in charge of all technology within the company. Most of them are very interesting. There's some quite interesting concepts about a sustainability unit cost, which is probably a bit like car insurance for young people, where they have a tracker fit to their car, but this is more of a personal. If you use a certain mode of transport or a certain size engine, there's a value to that, and I can see how that can be developed. But it's also how we share information. I have a passion to make our data open and free, and what I've seen here is some very good collaboration with the local authorities. So I want to see if we can expand on that and support that best way we can. Yeah, I mean, some of these we can help sponsor actually. I think there's some great ideas here. I'm looking at how do we use modern tech, new tech and data to replace old systems that we have. An example of this is the Midas system, which is the in-loop thing in every half a kilometre on our motorway network. Where they're faulty, to actually replace them or fix them is quite expensive. A, because we have to shut the road down and so forth. And the tech itself isn't expensive, it's the actual maintenance. And how can we use data to drive the same behaviours? So there's a very good demonstration by Tom earlier that actually showed about the counting cars. It's that type of technology, and very affordable, that we can probably put in spot locations on our network where we do have Midas systems out of action, that we can actually use that technology. So we perhaps could use some of the things out of here to productise, and obviously it will create a business opportunity for some of the people here. I'm quite excited generally by data. I've always said that I'm data-centric and technology agnostic. Highways England has vast data lakes, if you want to use the common term, of data that only we use. I don't see why. I'll give you a practical example. I used to have a similar position HS2. So when you've got a clash of two major transport systems, because HS2 dissects our network and vice versa, why aren't we sharing the same LiDAR data? We spend millions of pounds storing terabytes of LiDAR data, as does HS2, on the same junctions. Begs the question. So even within Department for Transport, we can do things better.